In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own in Chrome using GoDaddy. To get started, open Chrome and head into your site or account settings, then look for the Domain section. This is where you'll manage any custom web addresses connected to your project. Once you're there, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells the platform that you're not buying a new domain here, but instead connecting one you've already purchased through another provider. Next, type in your domain name carefully. Make sure the spelling is correct, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. It's also a good idea to enter the exact root domain you want to use so the system can correctly identify and prepare the connection settings. After that, click Connect Domain. At this stage, you'll usually be asked to confirm your domain host. Choose GoDaddy from the list so the platform knows where your DNS settings are being managed. This is important because the next part uses an automated setup process designed specifically to work with GoDaddy. Once GoDaddy is selected, click the validation link or button that launches the automated domain connection wizard. This should open a pop-up window for the login flow. So if nothing appears, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. The wizard is there to simplify the setup and save you from manually editing technical DNS records yourself. In the GoDaddy login window, go through the secure sign-in process and authenticate your account. Follow the prompts shown in the interface tabs and complete any identity verification steps required. Take your time here and make sure you're signing into the correct GoDaddy account, especially if you manage more than one domain. When the connection request is ready, you'll see an authorization prompt asking for permission to make the required configuration changes automatically. Click Accept to approve those adjustments. This allows the system to update the domain settings on your behalf so everything points to the right destination without manual configuration. Once that's done, the connection process will continue automatically. In many cases, the setup is completed quickly, but remember that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update across the internet. If it doesn't appear instantly, that's normal. Just give it a bit of time and check back in your domain settings to confirm the connection status.